Hey survivors, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of Once Human to tackle the challenges for the gun accessories. First off, let's talk about what these challenges are all about. In Once Human, gun accessories aren't just lying around waiting to be picked up. You gotta earn them by completing specific challenges scattered across the map. These challenges range from simple tasks to complex puzzles, but once you know the tricks, you'll be upgrading your weapons in no time. Alright, first up is the Hidden Painting Challenge. You might stumble upon these ruins throughout the game. They don't just add to the atmosphere, it actually holds a secret map. This map isn't just a pretty picture, it's a clue to the location of a hidden gun accessory. Go to the middle of the ruins to the artist's diary and snap to reveal the hidden painting of the map. Take a good look at the map, look it over, see if you notice any landmarks, structures, or even unique natural features that you've seen. Next step is to compare it to your in-game map. It's like playing a game of Spot the Difference. Match the details from the hidden painting map with your in-game map. Once you've pinpointed the location, head over there. There's a hidden accessory waiting for you. Oh, before I forget, do you want a cool camo skin for your motorcycle and a bunch of other free redeem codes? Check out my other video for all the details. Don't miss out. Alright, so once you have your map and everything, you know where you're going, you're going to have to go for the little drive and venture over to where the spot is. Once you get there, it's real simple. The location will be lit up purple. Just head over to it, walk over top of it, and it'll actually pop up, allowing you to actually claim your accessory. Now we have the Statue Facing Challenge, which is a classic puzzle. You'll find several statues scattered around the area facing all directions, and the goal is to rotate them so that they're all facing the center. The trick here is to observe the statues carefully. When you turn 1, 3 rotate. So go around spinning them until you line them all up. Once they're all lined up, a chest will appear in the middle. I don't want to lie to you, I didn't even get a real chance to figure out how this works. I just sat there spinning all the statues until it finally just had a chest appear in the center. So I can't even tell you exactly how to do it, but I noticed if you spin 1, 3 spin. Alright, next up we have the Burning Bush Challenge. This one's all about using fire to reveal the protected chest, so you need to find a way to ignite the bush that's blocking your path. Molotov cocktails or a torch will do the trick, but be careful, sometimes you'll set yourself on fire. Alright, moving on to the Exploding Rock Challenge. Here's the exact same thing as what the bush was, except you're using explosives to blow up the rocks. So grab a grenade or something else that will blow it up and toss it at the rock, watch it crumble. Door Challenge. It's pretty straightforward until it's not. You'll come to a bunch of door frames that require you to walk through them in a specific sequence. The trick here is to pay attention to the whispers that are hanging outside the doors. They usually tell you the sequence that you have to follow to unlock the accessory. Don't worry if you get it wrong. You get to retry until you do get it right. Next up is the Lily Pad Jump Challenge. You don't really need to do much, just look for these really large lily pads and just make sure you get on top of all of them. Doesn't matter if you fall in the water or anything. As long as you're on top of them all, it activates the chest. For this one we have a unique and eerie challenge set in a deserted hospital. It's the only one like this in the game that I've encountered so far. So in this challenge you'll find 2 rooms that mirror each other for the layout and the design, but something's off. The accessories in the room aren't in the same positions. To reveal the hidden chest, you need to make sure that the 3 objects we can control in these rooms, the fire extinguisher, the water jug, and the rolling medical cart, match their exact counterparts in the other room. So if you study the 2 rooms together, the one on the far right first, you'll be able to see where things have to go, and then go to the one on the left and adjust the items to match what it is in the far right room. Now let's discuss the billboard challenge, a real test of your observation skills. In this challenge, you'll find a series of broken billboards scattered around the world, and your goal is to line them correctly and reveal a hidden accessory. You need to stand inside a specific pylon square to get the right angle and start the challenge. As you step into the square with the pylons and activate the challenge, it's going to look up at the billboards that you need to align. It'll show you two pieces, and if you just look around with your mouse, get the correct angle, it'll align them all and then reveal the chest view. Now let's talk about the picture pose challenge. You'll come across a camera on a tripod. Snap to reveal a character that will depict a certain emote. Your job is to replicate this emote with your character. It's like a quiet game of Simon Says. Next up is the balloon shoot challenge. This one's pretty fun. You'll find a balloon floating around an area and your job is just to shoot it, follow it, follow it until it reveals a chest. It's all done within a certain time limit, so if you fail to locate the balloon and blow it up, it'll just reset back to the original start. To claim certain chests in Once Human, you need to follow a glowing purple orb. When you spot it, start capturing it by getting close. It will move to another location, keep chasing it, and keep capturing it repeatedly. After a few times, the orb will turn into the chest. And there you have it, folks, a complete guide to the gun accessory challenges in Once Human. Whether you're burning bushes, exploding rocks, or shooting balloons, these tips should help you breeze through your challenges to unlock your weapons. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Until next time, keep surviving, keep thriving.